Right, there's two types of anger. Very interesting. In Krishna's pastimes, maybe in ours also. Sometimes you're angry for no reason. Have you ever been angry for no reason? You don't even. So in Krishna's Lila, sometimes he's angry for no. Sometimes the gopis are angry for no reason, and sometimes they're angry with a reason. What's a good reason to get angry? If your lover says, "I'll come and meet you at 12 o'clock in the forest," and so you go there all beautiful and decorated, and you're waiting, and it's 12, 12:15, 12:30, and doesn't come. Then you're waiting till sunrise, just before sunrise, and you have to run home. You're waiting in a beautiful, secluded little kunja, little cottage, little place in the forest. And at sunrise, your lover comes. And there's all marks of lipstick on his face, and this and that, and hair all tousled up. And he comes, "Oh yes, I'm a little late." Huh? And then the beloved will start burning with anger and jealousy, and so she's angry with a cause. Why? Because she was stood up by her lover, and not only that, he ran away with some other lover. So that's a heavy cause to be angry, very angry. So Radharani, that's anger with a cause. And sometimes Radharani is angry for no cause. So when Radharani is angry with a cause, like Krishna stands her up or runs with another gopi, Krishna he knows he's guilty, and he feels bad, and it's somewhat easy to get rectified. But when Radharani is angry with no cause, then Krishna has a very difficult time figuring out, why is she angry? I didn't do anything. Why? So Jiva Goswami is simply saying that there's two types. That's the extent of his commentary.